I have been in quarantine way too long. I have not worn a wig in 3 months. I'm looking cute, okay? Hey guys, it's your girl Mercedes here. Y'all see this wig? Like, y'all see this? So today you'll get to see me put on this wig. I know it's a synthetic wig, just to let you know, so it really don't take much. But I'm gonna show you a video anyway for it. So sit back, relax, watch this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And remember, if you wanna see more content from me, more videos, please hit that subscribe button. And I got more stuff for you guys coming up on the way. Now, on to me putting on this wig. All right, you guys, so because it's COVID, there wasn't anyone available to do my hair or anything, so I just went to the beauty supply and got this thing. So if you guys can see it, oh, she's cute. So it's a lace front premium synthetic wig. Are we still wearing synthetic wigs? I mean, it's just gonna be for the weekend, so why not? So it's this cute premium synthetic wig, 5-inch deep part. It's safe heat styling, so we good. So yeah, so we're gonna install this baby. So I didn't see it. So look at her, she's cute, right? Okay, so wig, let's just get right into it. Gotta open the package first, so let me pull out the wig so you guys can see it. So take it out of the little net here. Ooh, it's got a little blue in it. Okay, she's cute. I like it. Okay. But look at the color on that, it's beautiful. It comes with 3 clips, so 2 on the side, and then you have a adjustable band here. So let's get started. Oh, y'all. Oh, she cute. Oh, she real cute. Oh, she cute. She's real cute. So yeah, so let's go ahead and take this off. I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit just to make it tighter. Make it a little tight. So now we're gonna go back in and cut the lace. So I already started cutting a little bit. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut around the perimeter. So I'm gonna do that right now. So the lace is now cut. I try to cut as close to the edge as possible. And I also did move the clips really close to that tag right there because I like mine on really tight. So now we're going to put it on. Oh my god, I'm the worst. I had it on all the way off. I was like, this don't look right. Do a little brush. What do you guys think? I think this is super cute. I'm ready for the weekend. I'm ready for the weekend. Ready for the weekend. I'm ready for the weekend. All right, well, there you go. I really didn't need to do much. Just cut the lace and then put this thing on and then we good, you know? So I hope you guys just continue to watch my videos, like this one, and actually, you know what? Start subscribing, okay? Because I have a lot more content coming your way. So yeah, so just be on the lookout, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.